It's like, don't yank it.
Don't move though. Keep it right there.
I had it on there.
Yeah, it will stay.
Are we gonna sit down?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, before we announce who we're. Okay. Is it just me and you? That thing's not gonna hit us in the head.
Just don't lean back.
Sorry.
Actually, here, you can let your dog stand on the concrete so he doesn't get wet.
Y'all ready?
You wanna go first?
Wait, his dog is going to get wet.
You can go
Because
first.
he's going
All
to
right,
the
go
wet.
ahead. Yes, go ahead, honey.
Oh my god.
That was a second ago.
Can I start?
It's stuck on.
Hit the button, Paige.
Is it recording?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
I think so.
Does it say record?
I don't know. It's counting
Here,
time.
stop the video.
Yeah.
Okay. He said yeah.
Start now.
All right. This is the ALS bucket challenge, but we decided to go big because it's go big or go home. So
Stop moving, Paige.
behind us, we've got something special.
It's okay, Jarvis.
I got challenged by Brian Clark. This is he gave me a 2-day leeway because what we're doing. I'm calling out my brother, Masayuki Todoroki, my sister-in-law, Karina Todoroki. I'm calling out Matt Bhavani, Danny Bhavani, Kiritai Asinas, and Keith Grigorich.
I'm
The way you want.
I'm Chastity Clark. I was challenged by Erica Morris and Tim Fairclough. I challenge Beth Fairclough, Ken Clayton, Okie Arthur, Amy Capalco, and Parrish Clark.
Do me, Mama. Do
And
me.
Paxton Clark.
Oh man, I'm gonna go ante up to Brian's challenge too from I guess right about 48 hours ago. So I accepted the challenge and got in on this deal. But I'm gonna challenge. Let's see who's left. Amanda White, Jennifer Alexander, and
Oh, it's
let's challenge
okay,
Ansel while we're at it too.
Oh yeah,
She needs to
there
get
you
wet.
go. Oh, I'm also donating an additional $50 to Noah's Ark Rescue. For all my animal lovers out there, that's a challenge to you too.
Yay!
Come here, Jarvis.
It was perfect.
I have faith in you. We can do it.